Hi, I'm Lisa from EarthLink, and this is Blinky. We're here to help you get connected to the internet. We'll be with you every step of the way, giving you tips on how to get connected and how to use our service.
This is EarthLink's subscriber agreement and acceptable use policy. Please read it carefully. It explains the conditions under which we offer internet service to our subscribers and includes a number of common sense provisions requiring that our subscribers refrain from certain abusive practices. Click the Next button if you agree to abide by the agreements. What would you like to do? You can sign up for a new EarthLink account by clicking on the New Member button. Or you can add an existing EarthLink account to this computer by clicking on the Current Member button. The next part is easy. EarthLink needs to know who you are, where we can send informational materials, software upgrades, and billing information. Fill out the form and click the Next button. To create a new account for you, the first thing EarthLink needs to know is what username you will be known by. Your username allows EarthLink subscribers get a free month of service for each. To create a new account for you, the first thing EarthLink needs to know is what username you will be known by. Your username allows EarthLink to uniquely identify you for security purposes. It also defines part of what your email address will be. For example, my username is Lisa236, so my email address is lisa236@earthlink.net. Write me sometime and let me know how you like our service. One thing that I should mention is that in order to keep everything straight, EarthLink needs to make sure that no two people have the same username. Since there are already millions of EarthLink subscribers, if you pick a common username like Lisa, it is almost certain to have been taken by someone else. Something like Lisa SK, or even a nickname like Lisa Gal, is much more likely to be available. A mix of letters and numbers is a good idea too. You also need to select a password for your new account. It is very important that you pick something that nobody could guess. Don't choose your username, your mother's name, your phone number, or anything like that. Using a mix of numbers and letters is a good idea. Click the Next button when you are finished. EarthLink subscribers get a free month of service for each friend who joins. If someone who is an EarthLink subscriber referred you to us, enter their username here and they'll get a free month of service. A registration number should have accompanied your copy of the EarthLink software. Go ahead and type that number in the registration number box. If you can't find the number for some reason, type the word None instead. Click the Next button when you are finished. The way you connect to EarthLink can vary from one location to another. In the next few steps, we'll set up a location that you can use when you want to sign on to EarthLink. To start out, you need to select a name for the location. We've supplied a few popular ones here. If you prefer to enter a name of your own, then select Other and type it in. Click Next to continue. EarthLink needs to know the device you'd like to use to connect to the internet. This list shows the devices that were detected on your computer. If you see more than one device, just use the one that EarthLink has selected and click on the Next button. The Modem Properties button is for advanced users who select a modem for the device and want to change how the modem works. Click Next when you are ready to continue. In order to connect correctly, we need to confirm a few things about the high-speed device you are using. Most people don't need to change these settings and can just use the default values that the EarthLink software has selected. However, if you're setting up PPPoE, a static IP address, or DNS, this is the place where you can check the appropriate box and enter the number or settings you have been given.